All right, so today at MMR we are going to install some side splitters for the Mustang. We've got some longer splitters here that'll go right between the front and the rear wheel, and then some shorter ones here that'll go right behind the rear wheel going up to the rear diffuser. So
who makes these?
These are made by Carter's Custom. So these serve absolutely no purpose other than potentially look cool. I'm not even sure if we're really gonna like them. We're a little hesitant because this car is up in the lift so much, being an autocross and track car, that obviously our lift mounts go, right between or behind the front wheel and ahead of the rear wheel. So these are gonna really impact our lift points. So we're gonna have to get creative with that. But we'll at least do a video, show you the install, do one side, stare at it for a while and see if we like it, and I don't know, go from there. But they might not stay in the car long term, I don't know.
Yeah, it's going to require us to make some blocks so that the car, when we pull the car in to go on the lift, it's up higher so we can get some spacers underneath the arms so that they'll miss these splitters. Hopefully they look good because it's certainly going to reduce our functionality when getting it on the lift.
Yeah, especially because we just instead installed jacking rails that extend for probably from here all the way back to here that are outside the car, that way give us really solid jacking point. But I'm afraid that these might cover that up. So I don't know. We're gonna at least throw them on there. This should be a pretty quick install, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so you can see that we've kind of just mounted this up on wood to give us a general idea of what it's going to look like. So we'll just mount this to the existing side splitter that comes in this car, just to the plastic underneath, and then it's just got a bunch of self-tapping screws. So we'll see. I'm not totally sold on it yet, to be honest, but we'll just throw in the car and then get the back one on and then see how we feel about it after that. So see you guys after that. Okay, we got one half of the car done. You'll see the front large splitter, the rear splitter is done on one side. Dan slid up the other side of the car to get the other side done. It's kind of hard to tell right now with the other side lifted, but I mean, I'm honestly happier than I expected I would be with the install of this. So you'll see, well, I guess you can't see, but this is just installed with just simple screws all the way down the side, and then you'll see there's a rear side splitter that we installed as well, right here. So, yeah, not too bad. We'll knock the other side out real quick and then kind of show you what the look looks like when the car's on the ground. All right, we got the passenger side in now. Looks pretty solid. Easy install. If you were to do like a wrench meter for this, it's probably like a 1 out of 3. So that's what the passenger side looks like, and then you can see it kind of transitions really well into the front splitter, which we already had installed, into the driver's side, and then rear which goes into the custom rear splitter that we had installed. So I'm pretty happy with it. We'll see how it performs at track day to see if it starts to like get loose or anything, but pretty easy project. So we're gonna maybe try to get one more done tonight and then call it before the events on Saturday and Sunday. So we'll be posting a video about that, and maybe what our process is like for autocross, and probably do some after videos, try to look at our runs to see where we can get better and improve. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Okay, this is like what, post 2 or 3 week update on the side splitters we installed on the Mustang. So we've run 3 events, 2 in Kansas City, 1 in St. Louis. So I just wanted to show you kind of how they're holding up, what I think so far. So if you can see, they're still holding up pretty well. But if I were to have one complaint, it's that you'll see that in this crack there, I don't know if you can see, it catches all sorts of shit, like rocks and pebbles and stuff that our tires grab and pull up. So obviously our tires are like Treadwear 200, RT660, so they're gonna pull up more than your average tire, but that's my only complaint so far. It's just like we'll keep the car clean. Like every time we come off track or the course, there's just new stuff under there. It's just like very hard to get out, even with like a pretty solid car wash. So that's honestly my only complaint. I still like the look of them. I think it makes the car look good and aggressive. So if you're thinking about buying them, I mean, go for it. I mean, they're not super expensive, super easy to install. If you don't like them, just take them right back off. So like I said, they're only in there with like self-tapping screws. So anywho, thought I'd update. So if you guys watch this video, thank you. Like and subscribe, and we'll be posting more content soon. See you guys.